doan atum Neli non Sampura leet lo hu la po kung hello kipru adim lo lang me sendi adim ta he joy red me allocation ta. And you know guys, this is the first time I have been to this place. The place is very beautiful. And look at the view guys. What a location. According to my expectation, this place can be definitely compared with Umrangso Golf Field. Kalimadi, Umrangso Golf Field pen chinglit pik anadim joy red me doan atum. Lang pamit hante ahok vek di adim talang me sen juita jumi pik anji so. Hello guys, it's me Binongkiri and you're watching on my YouTube channel, that is Binongkiri Explorer Vlog. So guys, hope you are having an amazing day. Lasi doan atum non ne ladak Sampura along sido ladak pini kipru lasin ang tumtanang lang dun bomande ni nang paklang pon bompo. Lang tha doan atum anutin ta okinep jephan la akung long si arjab rensi ajhak tumbang ke lan pensi kirung atum tado la pena jak tumang ke tok prok ot kraisi la korakong arjab ren heglong kedi long lepin lang mak. Doan atum nang li tumjong si Neli channel kilang nang li ning sampulonte shares la pen subscribe itha. Nang li tuma support la pen nang li tuma kang hon hello Neli kenang sort vek lo. Neli an su se video mesen ke wan ji bhan bor ipon bom po doan atum. Ni channel lang pa subscribe ano day. Chok luôn thang thiệt luôn. Đây. Okay. Lake pula pranga bangke rungpo aok nang pichon po lapi bangke dengdun po lason lo lantum an ke lason ang selo laki rung lantum an ke ong pigyo la lan pen kirung tum ta hedi dupik ang akong long ke la tok prok chot krai la tum bangke aok si kang hong lo mentu por si ke jor longi mah pi hadi lang pamit tha doan atum isi island ason di adim hai lang mesen laso dolong long par nang de. And look at the small boy guys, might be he is only 7 or 6 years old I think. is very expert and talented. Okay. If he fall down into the water also, he can definitely swim. Laso check adolon kabunai ke hap parai pen pu parai ke bang jia dim lo. Pupu ka chikap dim lo. And look at all those youth guys. They are standing on the bank of the lake, staring at the fish. They are waiting for the right moment. Am I right, guys? Adim tahedi temonta vang pik an. Ajak tumbang ke tulong long pensi ribom jo. Gajak tumbang ke kora kora pensi oklang bom lo. It's a request to all the viewers that if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe so that you can get a quick notification whenever I uploaded a new videos. It's a very big thank you to all guys for watching my video, and if you like my video, please do not forget to write on the comment section given below so that I can bring you more videos and update. So from now, be happy, stay safe, take care, and love you all. Bye bye.